Welcome to Qredo. In this tutorial, we're excited to guide you through some powerful features that provide full visibility and audit capabilities on Qredo platform. In the updated Qredo, you can assign team members to the viewer role or be assigned. This role is ideal for compliance or reporting as it grants full view access to the workspace, including its portfolios, history, and Qredo station. However, viewers cannot manage workspaces, portfolios, vaults, or Web3 wallets, nor can they initiate or approve trades. Viewers can access all workspace activity in the History tab, providing a comprehensive record of transaction activity, governance changes, and approval requests. The Transactions tab provides a comprehensive view of your transaction history, including transaction type, date, amount, source, destination, and status. By clicking on the column headers, you can select the fields that are most relevant to you. You have the flexibility to filter transactions by status and type, streamlining tracking and audit processes. For organization, you can sort transactions by type, date, amount, expiry, and status. And if you need to access the data offline, downloading an Excel file is effortless. Just click the Export tab, initiate the download, and you'll have all the necessary information in an Excel file. Other Activity tab showcases all governance-related activity, including policy updates and address whitelisting. Navigate to the Approval tab to swiftly review approval activity. Filter by status to easily assess requests labeled as approved, pending, or expired. Additionally, real-time access to this crucial information is available through the Notifications tab, conveniently located on the left corner of the platform. Simply click on the bell icon to stay informed and act quickly on various events occurring in the platform. Qredo's viewer role, audit reports, and export features empower you with complete control over your digital assets and compliance needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey.